to IPM Leap. In today's video, we are going to learn the trick of finding out the square of numbers in just 3 seconds. This trick applies to all numbers that end in 5, regardless of whether they are of 2 digits or 3 digits. And knowing it will help you a lot in fast calculations and time management during exams. Now, squaring is multiplication in which a number is multiplied by itself. So if you have 35 into 35, that is written as 35 square, like this. So if you are calculating 35 square, first write 25, which happens to be 5 into 5, as the last 2 digits of your answer. Now for the first part of our answer, take the figure written before 5, which is 3, and multiply it by 1 more. 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 into 4 gives us 12, which is the first part of our answer. So our final answer is 1225. In Vedic Maths, there is a very cool memory tip for this trick. Just remember the phrase, by 1 more than the one before. Let's generalize. For all numbers ending in 5, if you need to calculate a square, this cool math trick applies. It's quite simple and requires 2 steps. First write 5 square, 5 into 5, 25, which forms the last 2 digits of our answer. Then take the number written before 5 and multiply it with a number that is 1 more. So the number a that is written before 5 needs to be multiplied by a plus 1. One more example. Let's say you have to calculate 85 square. So first write 25 as the right part of your answer and then multiply 8 by the next number, 8 plus 1, which is 9. So 8 into 9 gives us 72. Our answer is simply 7225. So on your screen are a few practice questions. You can pause the video for a while to attempt them at your own pace. And once you are done, let's discuss. So let's try out question number 1. Question number 1 is to find out 75 square. Okay, so first step is to write 5 square as the right part of your answer, 25, and then to multiply 7 with the next number, that is 8. You get 5, 6, 56. 7 8s are 56. So your answer is 5625. 55 square, first write 25 at the end, and then you need to multiply 5 with 6, a number that is 1 more than 5, that is 30. 3025. 65 square, first write 25 and then 6 needs to be multiplied with 7. 6 7s are 42. 4225. 95 square, first write 25 at the end and then you have to write 9 into 10 as the left hand side of your answer, which is 90. 9025. Even if you have a 3-digit number, you don't need to worry. Okay, the process is the same. First write 5 square as the right part of your answer. And for the left hand side, you have to just hide 5 and see whatever figure is written before 5. So it's 11. You need to multiply 11 with the next number, with a number that is 1 more than 11. So 11 into 12 comes out to be 132. The answer is 13225. Okay. So 245 is our next number. If in order to square it, first write 5 square, which is 25, and then multiply 24 with 25, which will be 6 into 100, 600. Yeah, 600 is 24 into 24 plus 1, 25. Okay, our answer is 60025. 305 square, first write 25 at the end, and then 30 needs to be multiplied with 31. So we'll get 930, 930. Even if you have a larger number, you don't need to worry much because 63 and 64, multiplying 63 and 64 is still better than multiplying 635 and 635. Yeah, 63 needs to be multiplied with 64. And I'll teach you in some other video how to multiply 2 digit numbers quickly in one line, mentally, right? So 4 3s are 12, you carry 1, 4 6 are 24 plus 18. That means 32 and 42 and 143. 3 and 4 carry. 6 6 are 36 and 4 40 40. So the first part of your answer is 4032. 403225. That's our answer. So hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to press the like button if you did. And also press the bell icon next to subscribe to get notifications about other such useful content on our channel. PDF of this lesson is available for free on our website www.ipmlead.com. Happy learning!